what she's written before she went on the bench, which is her right. If she thinks that the Affordable Care Act is not constitutional, constitutional. The other thing that's on the court, and if and are phenomenally charged. Once again, a woman could be held, pay more money because she has a precising condition of pregnancy. They're able to charge a woman more for the supreme producer a man gets, and that ended when we, in fact, passed the Affordable Care Act.